Hi, today we're going to show you how to change the brakes on a 1996 Camry.
Okay, so this is the beginning of a brake job. First, what you need to do is you need to identify where's the bolt, the 14mm bolt. It's right behind the caliper. All you need to do is loosen this, take this out, lift this up because it's very hot. Lift this up with a big screwdriver, and there's going to be two brake pads over here. All you need to do is take the screwdriver or pick and just lift it out like that. That's simple. Then what I'm going to do later is, what I'm going to show you is how to collapse this this slave cylinder right here. Very simple. You need to get one of these tools. It's called a expander.
And where would you get that?
Go to the Autobahn or Pep Boys or Advance or Napa. Any auto store will get it. It's available. Oh, one more thing. You need to open up you need to open this up right here. This is the cap where you put the brake fluids in here. You open that up. So what we need to do is clockwise. You need to push this piston back to its original position. Therefore, you could put a brand new brake pad on there. So just take your time and screw it in.
So first you want to spray with brake cleaner all the contact points, as this mechanic is doing. Okay, there's one contact point in the back as well.
There's another one on the top.
And next you want to use this, what is this called here? Ultra disc brake caliper lube, and you want to just smear and dab it at each of the contact points before you put the brake pads in.
The reason why you're doing this because that's where the brake pad is going to travel back and forth. Just a little bit.
Just a dab.
These are the brand new brake pads. You have one set here for the left, one set here to the right. It doesn't matter left or right because as long as you have one clip here, there's the indicator. Okay. And what I like to do is to make the brakes quiet, I use this product here, made by Permanex. It's a disc brake quiet. What you need to do is just spray it, 2 coats, and let it dry. Let it dry for like 5 minutes or so, then you're ready to install.
Okay, so now that we smeared all the contact points with that lube, what the mechanic's going to do is put in the brake pads. So what are you doing, just sliding it in?
Yep. Slide back in. Then don't forget these clips here. These are anti-rattle spring, it's called. Finally, you bring this caliper down. And the 14mm bolt. You're done.